Circle of Willis Anatomy 13 questions and answers. Where is the Circle of Willis located in relation to the brain? The Circle of Willis is located at the base of the brain. Is the Circle of Willis a convergence point for multiple arterial segments? Yes, the Circle of Willis is a connecting point for several artery segments. Is the Circle of Willis part of the cerebral circulation? Yes, the Circle of Willis is part of the cerebral circulation. How many arteries make up the Circle of Willis? 6 arteries make up the Circle of Willis. Which arteries form the Circle of Willis? The Circle of Willis consists of left and right internal carotid arteries, left and right anterior cerebral arteries, anterior communicating artery, left and right posterior communicating arteries, left and right posterior cerebral arteries, and the end tip of the basilar artery. How many arteries contribute to the anterior circulation of the Circle of Willis? 3 arteries contribute to the anterior circulation of the Circle of Willis. Which arteries make up the anterior circulation of the Circle of Willis? The anterior circulation of the Circle of Willis is comprised of the left and right internal carotid arteries, left and right anterior cerebral arteries, and anterior communicating arteries. How many arteries contribute to the posterior circulation of the Circle of Willis? 3 arteries contribute to the posterior circulation of the Circle of Willis. Which arteries form the posterior circulation of the Circle of Willis? The posterior circulation of the Circle of Willis consists of the left and right posterior communicating arteries, left and right posterior cerebral arteries, and the terminal end of the basilar artery. Do branches of the Circle of Willis supply the infundibulum? Yes, branches of the Circle of Willis supply the infundibulum. Do branches of the Circle of Willis supply the hypothalamus? Yes, branches of the Circle of Willis supply the hypothalamus. Do branches of the Circle of Willis supply the optic chiasm? Yes, branches of the Circle of Willis supply the optic chiasm. Does the Circle of Willis supply blood to structures at the base of the brain? Yes, the Circle of Willis branches supply structures located at the base of the brain.